This is another parking garage elevator at Pinecrest in Orange, Ohio. Schindler HD. Here 3. Here we go. Here 3. Let's go to 1. Good job for you. Wow, look at that indicator. Here 1, 300 pound capacity. This one's not that great. Watch it close. And that's it.